Hey y'all, it's Carmen. I'm back with entry 46. And this package comes from Miss Marcella. So I've already opened it, so let's dig in. Looks like she's got it wrapped. Oh my goodness. Okay. Looks like maybe it's let's see, a stuffed envelope. Yes, oh my goodness. Oh, that's so pretty. Girls just want to have fun. Oh my goodness. All the goodies inside. I love this. How cute. I love them. Thank you so much. I love these little girls. They're so cute. And the eyelashes and so girly. And look at the beautiful paper on the inside too. The back side of it. I love that. Thank you so much, honey. Oh my goodness. Okay, looks like we got the memory decks here. And oh my gosh. I love this card. Is that not so cute? It's Creative Mommy. So let's look at the card real quick. She's got it in a vellum envelope. How awesome is that? And I just want to look real quick. Aw. Oh, you're so sweet. She's done this card up and it says, hello, lovely. And she says, hi, Carmen. I'm so excited to see your channel growing. I know your favorite color is blue, so I tried my best to include blue goodies. I also included a small birthday gift for you. Your friend, Creative Mommy, Maricela. Aw, you are so sweet, and you did not have to do anything. But I appreciate y'all are so good to me. Look, you know I love all this golden sparkle on this precious little lady. And it's got her name, Creative Mommy, and she's got some lips, and she's got the vine. And I love how she's got this flower matching her little top color. And then she's got the pearls with the black and white. This is so pretty. It's so clean, but yet it just pops. It's like, you know what I'm saying? Love it. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at the back. Her name is Maricela, and forgive me if I pronounce your name wrong, but that's how I kind of always thought it was. Maricela. Maricela, thank you. Sorry. Creative Mommy here on YouTube. Her birthday is March 30th. Her style is girly and clean and simple. Crafty item is doilies, pearls, and paper. Again, just look at that. It's so gorgeous. I love it so much, honey. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I can't say it enough. Y'all just have gone way too far. Look, she's even put bag toppers on these. And I don't think I have any jewels like this. Those are gorgeous. Thank you for that. And can never go wrong with my blue bling. And then I love how she's added that bag topper, and then she's added the blue to it to match. Thank you, my sweet friend. You are such a sweetheart. Oh my goodness, those are cute. And I have nothing like that. I love mason jars. I think most everybody does, but especially us Southern girls. And then she's got the diamonds up here in the mascara. She's put the blue pearls for her bag topper, and she's trimmed the bottom. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. I love them. Is that just not awesome? I'm not sure where y'all find things like that. You know, your Dollar Tree or what. And then she's got some of these gorgeous lighter, like a mint, teal kind of blue pearls. Those are gorgeous. See, it's hard for me to find stuff like that. Oh my goodness. She has gifted me a paper pad. Oh, and it's Pebbles. Oh my goodness. Wonder if I can flip through real quick. Let's see. Get out my X-Acto knife. Thank you so much for this. You definitely did not have to do that. But y'all always go way beyond what you need to. Look at that. I love these papers. Look at that. Ooh, that would look great coming Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh, I love this. It almost looks like a Valentine pad, don't it? Maybe it is. Let's see, is there a name? Yours truly. So it is. This is awesome because I have not got any stock up for Valentine's Day. Y'all know my holidays are, new for me because I just started crafting again this year. So I'm rebuilding my stock. And I love this. Love that plaid. Oh my gosh. Love tickets. That's so stinking cute. And I love those flowers. These are so pretty. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Thank you. I just can't say it enough. Y'all know her link is going to be in the description box below. I'm pretty sure. My brain is not working, so please forgive me. I'm pretty sure I saw saved. If you did a VR, I'm pretty sure I saved it. But just in case, can you just leave me a comment? Just let me know. I don't want to mess anybody up. And I'm going to do an overview probably Wednesday or Thursday, something like that. And double check the VRs again. So y'all be sure to stick around and watch. I've got one more entry that has come in. So we will do that one. And this was entry 46. Thank y'all so much. There's just not enough words anymore to describe how much y'all have blessed me and made my birthday. So thank you so much. And as always, I wish you the best.